Hi guys, so we're here at Hamana Homes and today I will be showing you their ready for occupancy Mayana duplex. Perfect to sa mga naghahanap ng makakalipat agad. So, ipapakita ko yung duplex style nila. It has 80 square meter lot area and 54 yung floor area niya. Okay? So, tara, meron siyang 2-car vehicle. I think kasya to yun ang mga SUV and sedan. And ito yung magiging property line mo. Itong nakaikot na halaman. And dito meron siyang lanay. And dito sa setback, you can expand your dirty kitchen and service area. So dito, naka-complete finish na tayo. Included na yung mga gripo natin, daluyan ng tubig, and meron siyang outlet for your washing machine. Okay? So, lahat ng mga unit dito, meron siyang fire exit. Yan. So, upon turnover, you can do or you can personalize for your expansion. Okay? You can expand your setback. You can expand an additional room here. Meron tayong separate video nun. Sample ng mga nag-expand ng room or pwede siyang gawin kitchen. Okay? So, tara, check natin siya sa loob. Okay, check muna natin itong passage niya. So, meron tayong front yard dito. So, may space pa rin siya. Okay, so, tara. So, upon enter, you will be welcomed by the living area. So, it's more on minimalist kung mapapansin nyo. Meron lang siyang 54 na floor area. Pero one thing that I like it is meron siyang high ceiling. Meron siyang 3.2 meters. Okay, so okay. And actually, you have two options here kung gusto nyo pa vinyl tiles or homogeneous style, 60 by 60 yon. So, dito, meron tayong wide window. Dining area that can fit at least 4-seater. And ito yung lanay area natin. Diba? So, habang kumakain, maliwanag, I think you can put, a screen door here. Pwedeng siya open, so mahangin. Or, pwedeng, di ba, barbecue, griller doon, family bonding, may lanay area kayo dito. And then, itong kitchen area natin, itong countertop is included. So, granite, and included na itong cabinet. So, ganyan na yung color. Happily ang brand natin, so hindi siya standard. Meron na siyang window dyan. Okay. Now, dito, meron siyang powder room. Ito yung access going to setback. Yung kaninang pinakita ko sa labas. Okay guys, so tara, check natin siya sa taas. Okay guys, so bago tayo umakyat sa taas, i-highlight ko muna yung dito sa stairs. So meron siyang window from floor to second floor. And yung stairs nila hindi siya stiff. And buhos or concrete yung sa ilalim ng stairs. Okay, so matibay siya. And alam nyo ba yung wall nila dito sa partition ng room is wall talaga siya. Concrete, hindi siya yung hardiplex or drywall. Meron din ako separate video, full video nito kung ano yung gamit nilang wall, which is yung glass wall. So tara, check natin yung master bedroom. Okay, so for master bedroom, I think this one is queen size. And you still have enough space for your closet. Yan. So, high ceiling na rin siya. Yung mga fin light natin is actually included upon turnover. And meron tayong window here. And of course, balcony. So, let's check the balcony. Okay, so for balcony, I think it can fit 2 chair and mini table. And tempered glass. Hindi siya yung talagang konting katok lang is mababasag na. So, tempered siya. Okay? So, ang gusto ko dito, yung community niya, is maliit lang yung community ni Hamana and non-congested. Ang pinakamaliit na road nila is 8 meters. Itong 8 meters nila is located siya sa inner or sa loob ng street. So, ganito yung magiging community nyo. So, let's say sa loob ng street, tulad nito, is konti lang yung bahay. At tignan, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 houses. Yung harap nyo, 7 houses dito. So, hindi siya congested. And iilan lang talaga kayo. So, parang may community or yung konti lang ang neighbor. And ang laki ng daan. Okay? Okay, for the second bedroom, guys, for second bedroom, you can do single bed or ganitong setup. And then, you have your closet space. Meron siyang 2 window here. For the third bedroom, it's actually the same size. So, ito, single bed din. And then, may space for closet. And isa lang yung window nito. Pero malaki yung window niya. Ayan. So, hindi pa rin siya madilim. Okay, so check natin yung hallway for toilet and bath. So, for toilet and bath, dito is naka-tiles na siya from floor hanggang ceiling, kasama ni mga fin light. Complete niya yung features niya. Meron tayong malaking bintana dito. So, yan. So, i-check naman natin yung actual turnover na mga ready for occupancy. Okay? So, same lot area and floor area, same model unit. So, ipapakita ko lang yung actual turnover na walang mga furnitures. And ito yung mga available. Okay? So, kung ano makikita nyo, as it is na po, ganyan na siya. Meron na siyang pathway. And then, the rest is lilinisin na lang. And kayo na bahala kung paano nyo siya i-design. Itatayos nyo ba? I-garden nyo. Okay? So, this one is 80 square meter lot area. I think ang magiging property line nyo dito is, asan ba yung palatandaan niya? Ang gitna neto, since duplex, ito siya. Ito yung pinakagitna. So, yan yung lanai area. You can do some expansion. Then, ito yung setback. Setback, most of the homeowners here is pinapa-expand naman nila to. Okay? So, tara. Check natin siya sa loob. Kung ano yung itsura niya upon turnover. Okay, highlight ko lang ito bago tayo pumasok. Ito yung space niya sa front. So, since duplex to, kapag magpapa-fence and gate kayo, ito yung parang hati nyo. And then, meron lang tayong height requirements kapag turnover para may ventilation pa rin. So, okay. So, ito na yung actual turnover natin. Di ba kanina sinasabi ko, dun sa model house, vinyl tiles, but you have an option. Meron din silang homogeneous tiles na 60 by 60. Rough po siya. Okay? So, ayan na, actual turnover, high ceiling 3.2, kasama na yung mga fin lights. Dito yung magiging living area. And then, natin siya, living area. Think you can put something here like a cabinet or lagay ng shoes, diba? And dito, you can put your dining table for 4-seater or pwede yung gawing dining yun dito sa lanay. Perfect yun. Para at least mas lumuwang yung dito yung sa living area. And then ito, ganito yung actual turnover for your countertop. So again, Hafilet, yung mga brand. Kahit yung mga eto, Hafilet. So, hindi siya yung standard lang. Kahit yung mga door nila, yung door lock is Hafilet brand. So, ito yung access going to your setback. And for your powder room, ito naman nakalocate yung mga breaker. So, ito yung sa first floor. Main, range, ref, lights. And then, ito is for the second floor. Bed 1-2 for AC, bed 1-2 for AC, water heater, lights, and then AC for master bedroom. So, dalawa yung breaker niya. Okay? So, check natin siya sa taas. Let's go. Okay. Okay, for the bedrooms, check muna natin master bedroom. For the master bedroom, ito na siya. For the second floor, by the way, vinyl tiles siya. High ceiling, may window tayo dito. Ito yung balcony natin. For the second bedroom, yan. Ito naman yung second bedroom nila. So, highlight natin yung mga outlet. May outlet dito. May outlet din siya dito. Yan. And then, 2 windows siya. Yan. For the third bedroom, it's actually the same size with the second bedroom. Gusto ko din i-highlight yung mga outlet, no? So, dalawa din yung outlet nito. By the way, I forgot to mention. So, naka-ready na rin yung outlet natin for window type aircon. And actually, eto, banda dito is, ayan, naririnig nyo? May kahoy siya na naka-close. So, naka-drawing na, naka-ready na yung pang window type nyo. Kasi mahirap to butasan eh, concrete 3,000 PSI. So, naka-designated yung window type just in case gusto nyo pang window type, bubutasan to. So, naka-locate na siya. May designated area. Just in case ayaw nyo man, at least naka-close and kung gusto nyo mag-split aircon. So, you don't have to worry about kung paano siya bubutasan. Naka-ready siya. Okay? Okay, we forgot the toilet and bath. Okay. So, same siya. Complete fixtures na upon turnover. Ito na yung toilet and bath. Ano na siya, yung hot shower niya nasa taas yung saksakan. So guys, alam ko maraming naghahanap ng mga ready for occupancy or gustong makalipat agad. So this one of the suggestion or recommendation na ma-offer ko sa inyo ang Hamano Homes na mga Miana duplex nila. So marami na tayong mga gawa dahil mabilis ang pag-construct. So if you're interested, message me or call me. I'll be happy to help you. Again, this is Belle, your property advisor. And see you soon. Bye!